You know what this is? It's a magic E. You know this E you cannot hear. It can make a vowel man appear. This silent magic E sends magic sparks right over one letter to make a vowel man appear and say his name.
These magic sparks make me appear and say my name. I.
Look what happens when magic sparks land on impy ink. Pin becomes pine. Win becomes wine.
Let's see the song. So now let's listen to the story and try to catch as more as you can the pictures and the words with sound I and magic E.
Story. Look, here is silent magic E shooting magic sparks onto Mr. I. What do you say, Mr. I?
When silent magic E appears, I say my name. I. Say it with me. I.
Mr. I likes the countryside. It's a nice day to ride a bike or to fly a kite. Can you ride a bike? Can you fly a kite? Can you point to 5 mice? And can you count 9 limes?
So let's see some words again with letter I and magic E and sound I and magic E. So bike,
Bike, bike, bike.
kite,
Kite, kite, kite.
mice. When we say about one, we will say mouse, but when there are many, we say mice.
Mice, mice, mice.
How many mice can you see here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 5, the word 5, we will also write with I and magic E. 5 mice. What other words we can find here with I and magic E? For example, slide.
Slide, slide, slide.
And do you know this green fruit? It's not lemon, It's green and small. This is lime.
Lime, lime, lime.
And do you see the pine? This is the pine. 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 And the pine has pins. These pins. And we add magic E and it becomes pine. So do you remember why magic E is magic? Because it can change the sound and the word. So this is pine. Now let's make the exercises in the book. So open your books on page 92 and 93. And as usual, let's make our exercise. So let's read the first word. Slide. We don't read magic E, it is silent. And magic E makes Mr. I say its name. Slide. So circle the slide on the big picture and put the star to the word slide, the star sticker. So the next word is kite. Kite. So find and circle kite in your big picture and put the star sticker to the word kite. Next word is bike. Bike. So find and circle bike in the big picture and put the star sticker to the word bike. And the next word is mice. Sometimes we read letter C not as K, like in the word in words cake or cat. We read it like S. For example, mice, nice, ice. So here, mice, when we have one mouse and many mice. So find mice and circle mice in the big picture and put the star sticker to the star. And the last word is lime. So find limes. You can find limes here, you can find limes here, and circle them and put the star sticker to the word lime. And one more task that we will make now, to color IE letters and draw the objects. So first I will color the letters. So kite, bike. And that's all for today, and see you next time.